Original
One Studio.
Hi, it is July of 2024 and that means 13 years ago I found myself in this part of the world. And this car that is being introduced, or let me say rather entering this frame right now, has been with me since that time. My name is Daniel and this is the beginning of a story from a legend to a legend. Welcome. Hi guys, I was last here a few weeks ago and I was amazed to find the African fish eagle was sitting up. And a week later, here I am, and the whole face of the dam has changed. They were like a swarm of, not a swarm, but a flock of pelicans. Alright, in the meantime, I'm just sitting here, waiting for the sun to come up. I've seen so much activity here. There's a group of pelicans, like almost 20 pelicans on the tower side, trying to get my bearing. Yeah, they're somewhere here. You can see that white patch. Those are all pelicans. And then you have flamingos also sitting somewhere there, and the common birds, the red-knobbed goods, the Egyptian gooses. Oh, and I saw a spoonbill. And amazingly, yesterday, for the first time in my career, I call this a career, it's a hobby which has turned into something else. I spotted a fish eagle after a very long time, and it came out one touch from the branch to the dam, and it just grabbed a frog and flew out. I managed to get the shot when it just hit the water and flew out. I'll edit it and post it so that you can have a look at it. Yeah, keeping records of my life. Make sure you create memories that when it all comes to an end, when you look back, you're happy, impressed, and you want to redo that again because it was worthwhile doing. One life. Live it, love it, enjoy it, and do it.
One Studio.
Having watched that introduction, please do remember to like, comment, subscribe so that you are notified when I upload that content. In today's episode, I'm doing something different, and let's get into it. I want to show you a few tips on car maintenance. Okay, before showing you the car maintenance tips that I've just mentioned, I would like to just share some pictures that I've taken of this beautiful piece of a machine, the 2007 V6 Luxury 2.5 rear-wheel drive Toyota Mark X. These are some pictures that I've taken from
Original
One Studio.
Chico Nyakisumo.
Hello Jairana, akao thuloni, andiko ni barua. Ageno ni ngima, nyasauriti, ndalo matoto sekalo, kapoka winjo kumi. Paro chanda sana, osiep na yo, yaye osiep chuna. Inkune, osmani orona, donge na yudo, donge no moro chunya.
remember, it's been 13 years since I acquired this piece of machine. That was way back in 2013 when I obtained the Toyota Mark X, and today is 2024, and as you've noticed, this car is serving me well. The value I bought it is actually more than what I bought it, and that's unusual with cars. There it is. So I've noticed something lately. So you see, with the sun rays, when the sun hits this is plastic. When the sun hits that, it becomes cloudy, and if you don't restore that headlight, you might end up with poor vision at night. I want to show you a very worse headlight which has not been taken care of, and then I'll also take a photo to show you this before and after. So that is the right one, driver side, that's the passenger side. Now compare that to this. See, that's very cloudy, and this will hinder your vision at night. Same to that. So let me show you what I'm going to do. And please note, this is not an advertising video. I'm not promoting any company. However, I'm doing this just to show you tips how to restore the assets that you have. So I'm using this product. I acquired it from a local store in the city. This product comes from a company called Shield since 1964. It's quite pricey. This is the headlight restoration all-in-one kit. So there's a picture here showing you before restoration and after restoration. It contains easy to use kit, restores clarity to cloudy, discolored and oxidized headlight, suitable for use on clear and coated plastic. You can also use a drill if you want, which I'm not going to do that. And yeah, it's applicable for use in the front headlights and the rear tail lights. So let's see what comes in the product. So in the product we have this. So I have so many of this in my closet. I think this is the drill bit that you use for, you put that on the drill and then that helps you to clean. I'm not going to use this one. I don't really think I need that. This will just go into my garage. This is just a holding kit whereby there's a rough surface here with this attaches to one of those and then it helps you to rub. I'm not going to use this either. And then here, before we go to this, there's a masking tape just to prevent, if you want to protect that surface. I'm not going to use this either. And finally, this is a product. This small thing costed Namibian dollars 588. That's expensive. Like, this is really expensive. However, it's not a once-off use. I can use this like 10 or 20 times if I use it nicely. So this is an investment for the next 1 year. So let's get busy and then we see the outcome of my headlight restoration. All right, enjoy.
Original
One Studio.
Aguchera Chico Nyakisumo.
Hello Jairana, akao thuloni andiko ni barua. Geno ningima nyasauriti ndalo mathoth osekalo kapok awinjo kumi. Paro chanda sana osiepna yo, yaye osiep chunya in kune. Mos mani orona donge na yudo, donge no moro chunya. Kawaparo manene jonyego nasibo ipile ionge buta osiebe ne jara iwe niwe yathni duogi e dala duogi e pachani warit nyithindwa baby.
Bashiri Maria Mariana Boy Bana
Najuna nimisi tena ni mbali nimeenda.
It's epic how this thing works. So it's not even 5 minutes. I'm done with the first headlight and I can see a difference already on the clarity of the light. See? Now let's go to the other side.
Nipo mbali, mbali hello.
You can't compare that with the initial. So if you want to restore your headlight at home, that's the product to use. Clear View plastic cleaner and polish from Shield. 100%. Very good. So now I'm at the rear. I'll start by wiping off any loose dirt, so the detergent, the reagent can go in nicely. Then I'll take a picture before and one after. And after all that, I take baby girl for a ride and see how clear the headlights are. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, one life, live it, love it, enjoy it and make memories worthwhile revisiting. Adios.
My love, the queen of my heart. Oh, better, my heart longs for you. Bibuta mama, my heart longs for you. Sweet buta toto, my heart longs for you. Give me more of you, get some more of me. Baby ndalo sekalo, ige madika loko. Ndalo sekalo, ige madika rumo. Chunyo eri, chunyo geni mama. Chunyo eri, chunyo geni toto. Ngamamia era mama. Ngamamia era mama tionge. Ngamamia era baby tionge. Iketo paro chana kionge mama. Lechana chana gutieno tionge. Simu migoyo message mindeko. Email mioro nyema kweyo chunya. Bibuta mama, bibuta sheri, bibuta mama, bibuta sheri. Lulu Classic.
Baby na barua manioro and when I you do